Hi, I'm Alicia Gordon, the writing teacher here at Edge,
And I'm Chris Sumner. I'm one of the band directors here at Edge Middle School.
and we are your CITF team to help you with technology. And today we want to talk to you about Bitmoji Classroom and more.
So, several of the things that we are going to learn today are resources for creating Bitmoji Classroom. We'll show you where to find some of the cool objects that you've seen in others, or if you already have a Bitmoji Classroom, this will be a good resource if you want to change things up. We will also show you how to make your Bitmoji Classroom interactive with clickable links and pictures and things like that. And then we will show you how to integrate it with Canvas so that you can put it on your home pages for your kids and it will still be clickable and interactive.
Okay, so first we want to show you our Bitmoji Classrooms. Mine's a little bit more background focused, and I have just a few tiny things on there. And then when you look at Sumner's, his is much more interactive. I urge you to look at the dinosaur and the flower located on his page.
Yeah, I got a little happy with the Bitmoji Classroom and kind of went crazy on it, but it was a lot of fun.
Mm-hmm.
So one of the first things that you're going to want to do is to make sure that you, one, create a Bitmoji, and you can link it to Google Chrome, and it's an extension, and then it's always here, and you can we're on mine, so you can see some of the things that I've used, but it's really easy to integrate with Chrome, and you can always use it whenever you want.
And yeah, you can use it for your classroom. You can use it for your emails. You've probably seen people use it in their emails. So Bitmoji Classroom is just a nice interactive thing to have that's both popular with kids and teachers.
Mm-hmm. So a lot of these things that you see, I just got from the internet. I had to do a little hunting around, but we found some resources for you so that you can help or make the process a little bit faster and easier.
So these three resources have objects for you to be able to use for your Google Slide when you create your Bitmoji Classroom. They each have similar things to offer, but it is more than what you will use for your classroom. It is a plethora of objects, backgrounds, lighting, whatever it is that you would need to make your Bitmoji Classroom banner. These three resources are great. We pulled these two resources from the Facebook group, the Bitmoji Craze for Educators. So if you have a moment to check that out, if you have not already created your Bitmoji Classroom banner, that is a great resource for you to have multiple slideshows to be able to watch, multiple things to be able to use that others may not have yet.
Right. So basically, these are two Google slide presentations with a treasure trove of objects you can use for your classroom. All you got to do is copy and paste it and put it in yours. These QR codes are for you to scan to get to them. If you're having trouble with that, please shoot me an email, and I'll if you can't access it, I'll give you access or change the link or whatever I need to do. But these are awesome resources, and especially this Facebook group, they're always posting and updating their stuff. So definitely check it out. So we're going to talk about how to kind of make all your things interactive and clickable, and so that your kids can, basically play with your Google Classroom. So once you have your Google Classroom made, or not your Google Classroom, your Bitmoji Classroom made, you can make each of these little pictures linkable. So it's really easy. Let's say I wanted my Bitmoji right here. If the kids click on me, I wanted it to take them to our band website. So first of all, I'm going to go to our band website. I have it bookmarked here. And then I'm going to copy this URL. Now I'm going to go back to, here it is, back to here. And then all you have to do is click on the picture, and then right here, insert link. You'll click that, and then you'll paste the link there. As you can already see, I already made mine, and then just click done. And so now when they're in your Canvas and they want to use some of the resources, maybe you'll have a picture of the book that they're reading, and there's an online resource for that. They can click that, or maybe you have a picture of a math anchor chart, kind of like my music ones up here. You can link it so that they can click it, maybe make it bigger, or take them to an interactive website. So that's just an option for them. So now, whenever they click on my Bitmoji, it'll take them to my band website here. So you can do that for however many pictures you want, and it's pretty easy that way. Mm-hmm. Now, if you want to make your Google or this Google slide interactive still with Canvas, there's a few more steps that you'll have to take. Or if you don't want to make it interactive and you just want to paste your Bitmoji Classroom into Canvas, this step is really easy. All you have to do is File, Download, and then as a JPEG or PNG. So it'll be a picture, and you just take that picture and paste it into your Canvas classroom. Now, mine, as you can see, as I hovered over my picture, it's a clickable link, and I click it, and it takes us to my band website. So how did I do that? Well, we're going to go, once you have your
Bitmoji Classroom created.
Bitmoji Classroom created, we're going to go to File, and we're going to make this publish to the web. Because what we're going to eventually do is basically embed this Google slide into your Canvas. So we're going to click on Embed. You can pretty much leave these settings alone. We'll want to click this one to make sure that the player loads as soon, or make the slideshow load as soon as the player loads, and then restart the slideshow after the last slide. That'll just make sure that it won't go away. Mm-hmm. And then this is your embed code that you will need. So I'm going to copy this. You'll go to Canvas and click Edit. Now, if you remember from Ms. Funkhauser's Canvas training, if you type in this right here, it's just going to come up as random code, because this is kind of like a Word document. So whatever you type in here, it's just going to come up exactly like you typed it. In order for embed codes to work, you have to click HTML editor, and you just come up here and paste it at the top. Since I already have mine, I'm going to take this away. But you paste yours at the top. Oops. And then, very important, click Save. And then it should pop up right here. And now all your things that you linked are clickable and interactive, and your kids can use them and have a lot of fun with it. So just one more time, you'll do File, Publish to Web, Embed. Make sure these are clicked, and then copy this code. And then paste this code into your Canvas, and then you're done. If you have any questions about how to do this, you can email us for help. Or if you have some new ideas that you've learned and you want to share with us, that would be awesome. Yeah. We can definitely share that out with the other teachers and make sure everybody's kind of doing a lot of fun things with their their Bitmoji Classroom.
And using the Google Slide is a great resource for teachers who are having trouble getting used to the different pages and different links on Canvas, because now we've allowed you to be able to integrate what you already know about Google into your Canvas page. So this is a great way for you to be able to continue to use those Google pieces that you already know and just integrate them into Canvas for your students to be able to use. So it's a easier learning curve to be able to integrate with Canvas.
All right, guys, I hope this helped out, and I hope you have a lot of fun exploring these different options and making your Bitmoji classrooms, and we'll see you next time.